Now let's do our next exercise. Before proceeding further, let's understand what is case structure. Okay, now suppose if you want to perform any operation by just typing any name. Okay, for example, if you sum up two numbers by just writing add or even your name, then you'll use this case structure. Okay, so I'm going to perform here a couple of arithmetic operations. So first of all, just right click on block diagram and go to case structure. Okay, so here's my case structure. If you see the default case structure, this case selector will take only two values. One is true and another is false. Okay, now we want to perform operation by strings. So go to your front panel and just right click on it, go to string and path and click string control. Here you'll rename it input. Okay, let me resize it. That's perfect. Okay, now first of all connect this input to our case structure. When you connect this string input with case structure, okay, you'll see your false and true statement will get into quotes. Okay, so here you can rename it, let's say add, and you can also add another case where just right click on it and click add a case after, and subtract, let's add another case and multiply. Okay, and if we enter any of these three names, add, subtract or multiple, then it will go to our default statement, let's say nothing. Okay, yeah, even a space will matter. Okay, now go to your add case. So here you want to add two numbers. Alright, so now go to your front panel. To add two numbers, you'll need two variables. Let's select numeric control. Okay, so it will be my variable A and it will be my variable B. Alright, now to store its result, let's create another third variable which will indicate the result. Let's say numeric indicator, which will show my result. Okay, well, let's increase its size first. Okay, let me resize it. Okay, that's fine. I'll go back to block diagram. So put your result over here. Now in add section, you'll add your add function. Output of add will go to result. Okay, and one end of your add function will go to variable B and other end will go to variable A. Now in subtract, connect your variable according to your wish. Okay, now my third variable is multiply. Okay, after doing this, now go back to your default statement. Now here you want to display a message. Just right click on it, go to dialog user and click one button dialog. Just create here a message, wrong input. Okay, and initialize your result, let's 0. Okay, no result will appear. Okay, now enter your first number, let's say 25. Enter your second number, let's say 20. Now we want add. Okay, now click this run button. Wrong input, because my A is in small letter. So So just click right add, click this run button, you'll get your result 50. Okay, similarly subtract, you'll run hit button. Okay, 5. Now click multiply, now go to run hit. Alright, if I enter the wrong input, if I don't enter anything, then click right, it will display a message wrong input that you have written in constant. Okay, just write my name, it will also display the wrong input. Okay, so basically the function is to display 3 messages, okay, 3 different values, 3 different operations by case structure. Okay, so on the basis of this case structure, let's do our next exercise.